Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how electric vehicle batteries are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Scan complete. Lithium shipment confirmed.
Acknowledged. Move it to Station 4.
We balance each chemical mixture precisely, ensuring optimal performance and uncompromising safety.
We have a temperature fluctuation in Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Rerouting coolant now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Check this reading here. It looks low.
All right, let me recalibrate the sensor.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how electric vehicle batteries are made, from start to finish.